Me and him are gonna play skate in this little area. So right here is about where you have to stop. So let's go ahead and play Rochambeau.
I always win.
I know. Go ahead. Go right here, kind of.
I know. I was gonna like get a running start.
Yeah. My board kicked it. I would have landed on it. The board wouldn't have been kicked.
I didn't get in there.
Yeah, dude. It's all right.
Okay, so let's see.
Yeah. I'll do a frontside 180. Frontside 180.
Count it.
Alright. Keep an eye on your score.
Okay. I have
I know. Fakey ollie.
I like to get all my big things.
What time is it?
4. I'm gonna call that a redo.
Alright, go ahead.
Kind of sketchy.
How much trick should I do? I'll do a fakey 180. Wait, did I just do fakey 180?
Oh, you just did a front 180.
Yeah. I'll do fakey 180. Oh, that's pretty good. Alright. I'll do fakey shove it.
Bam.
Ah! Dude, I land on it, but I don't.
Okay, fakey show. The proper way.
This ain't no proper way.
Fakey show.
Oh my gosh. No way.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Nollie show. Dang it.
Nollie shove.
A better nollie show.
Rebate.
You do?
Yeah. I got a what?
I think, yeah.
I got it. Let's see, what can I do? I'll do a switch ollie. Wait, this is nollie. Yeah. Alright. Wait, wouldn't that be fakey?
Okay.
I don't know. Switch
Nollie
ollie.
would be like this.
Yeah, switch is going fakey, but on nollie
You
switch.
can go like fakey but nollie.
Yeah. Okay, I got this. I know how to do it then.
I got this. Wait, you never went into the trick then.
Yeah, I know. I got this. Alright.
Get off the ground.
Gotta reboot that.
Okay.
I don't know what that was.
Switch.
Isn't a fake half step going backside but fake?
No, it'd be like nollie, but the opposite way, and then going like this. Wait, do you want to go to your house?
After the game?
So you can always just pause it and then re-edit it.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna finish the game later. We're gonna go to my house. See you.